In 1960, Chicago was a city built on steel, smoke, and ambition. The river reflected an industrial world filled with factories, bridges, and heavy machines. The streets were slower, but full of life and hard work. This was not a futuristic city yet. This was a city building its future from the ground up. As the 1970s began, Chicago started to change. Construction cranes appeared across the skyline. Old structures were replaced with rising towers. Workers shaped the city day and night. The sound of steel and hammering filled the air as Chicago slowly grew upward. By the 1980s, the city entered a modernization era. Highways expanded, bridges were rebuilt stronger, transportation systems became faster. Chicago was no longer just industrial, it was becoming a modern American metropolis. In the 1990s, glass began to replace steel. Skyscrapers reflected sunlight across the river. Downtown became brighter, denser, and more powerful. The skyline that once looked simple was now becoming iconic. By the early 2000s, Chicago had transformed into a global urban hub. Luxury buildings surrounded the riverfront. Technology changed how the city functioned. Nightlife filled the streets with energy and light. The city never stopped moving forward. During the 2010s, Chicago expanded again. Smart infrastructure was introduced. Public spaces became modern and organized. Transportation became more efficient and connected. The city was evolving into something smarter. By the 2020s, Chicago reached a new level of global recognition. A world-class skyline stood beside the river. Millions visited every year. The Riverwalk became a symbol of modern urban life. But even then, the transformation was not complete, because the future was already beginning. As we move toward 2030, Chicago is becoming something entirely new. Eco-friendly skyscrapers rise across the skyline. Smart systems manage traffic and energy. Autonomous vehicles move silently through the city. The river reflects a futuristic world built on decades of progress. Technology and nature now exist together, green into glass and light, from the past into the future. But this is not the end of the story, because cities never stop evolving. And the question is, what will Chicago become next? If you enjoyed this journey, like, comment, and subscribe for more cinematic city evolution documentaries. Tell us which city should transform next.